Hello, I'm Al Beers with 24-Hour Laundry. We're here today to do a ribbon cutting for our newest venture of a laundromat open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This month, we're going to be doing a specials for everyone that signs up for our loyalty card. You can come by today and get signed up, or you can pick up a loyalty card at our 24-hour fuel location at 62 and College. For everybody that signs up for one of these, and when you load $20, we're going to give you an additional $5. I want you to come by, check out our facility. We have from 20-pound machines to 80-pound machines. You probably say, what does that mean? I'm not sure. But each one of them has a depiction of how many baskets of clothes it will take on there. But the 80-pound machine is the largest washer in Baxter County. So you guys follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, follow us on TikTok. It's 24-hour laundry. We're excited to be here. We cannot wait to get this thing open. Let's give some people some free wash today, and let's get this ribbon cutting done. Cut. Yay! You better take these. They don't